Oh hey car fans, and welcome to James Rosal's Toy Car Review. And this one, I'm the Matchbox RV right here. And I'm going to road trip to James Rosal's Toy Car Review City, or James Rosal's Toy Car World. And I have my friends right here, and the car fans was sitting right here. Okay, and let's explore to James Rosal's Toy Car Review. Vroom, 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 vroom. Okay, so I've got there. Sorry for not uploading for 1 month ago, and sorry for not uploading so too long. And I have here now the Scania P360. It is the German fire truck, and now let's unbox it and describe it at first. Almost completed. Keep this away first. Here, whoa. This seems kind of familiar with the yellow one, since I buy this the red version. Nah, it's the same. But look at this. The door seems almost the same at the front, almost the same at the rear, and it's big, kind of bit big. Excuse me, and I don't know what this thing do, and maybe it's a tool where you put the hose. No, maybe here or maybe there. And there's a door thingy there, but I don't know what's inside. And look at the interior. No Scania logo at all. There's 5 seats. Seems I only see 4. In real life it's 5, but why only 4? Because of this red thingy inside. Said if fewer. I don't know how to pronounce, not a German. And it's the number of this thing is 213,764. And it's Scania, and it's really red, and it's beautiful, and this is my most favorite fire truck in Matchbox. Yeah. And also, my second favorite was the 515, the mini pump one. I still don't have that yet, but soon I'm gonna buy that, just for soon. It's kinda nice, it's kinda beautiful or something. And this one's less. There's an elephant, and there's last 2017, just only for 2 years. Never mind, it still look new for me. Okay, and there's the siren, but all black. And you see the bit sunroof, or yeah, that's all for describing all of this. And so this one is big, and it's really sophisticated. It's really nice, and there's a ladder right there, and that's all for describing. I'm gonna review for this video at the next video, and this video was only for describing the Scania P360 fire engine, and that's all. See you at the next video, car fans, and do not change the video yet. Hey guys, I'm back in reviewing, and now let's start reviewing. So since this one is a Scania fire truck, and it's beautiful and big, and it was really nice, and it's really all red, and this is my most favorite ones, and it's still the same. And so this one, you can put the hose right here anywhere, but it's except this one. The other side's the same except this one again. And there's a handle right here. There's a stairs where you can go up, maybe during hard time, just in case. And I don't know what is this thing. Maybe I don't think this is a ladder. I don't know what's this, but I know this was a ladder. Seems small ladder. Weird. And I don't know what is this thing also. And I don't know what's inside. Maybe you can open it. There's extra water, maybe a water storage here. And that's all. And there's only 4 seats. In real life is 5. The middle's missing. Nice. I can see the steering wheel. Yeah, I can see now. It's here. So, sorry, it's blur. And it's really elegant. It's from Germany. German truck. And it's really big and colorful, and it's super colorful with yellow stripes. And there's a sun. It's number 3 with the sun rays, and it's not number 3. It just looks like a sun for me. Another one. There's another number, but it's the same as this. It's P360. I have no ideas what's this. Maybe it's a model or what. I don't know. I don't get it. And there's a grills, no Scania logo at all. And see, look at this one. It has a logo, but here doesn't have a logo. Since it's a plastic chassis and metal base. I mean, it's all beautiful and it's big, no wipers, has interior, it's beautiful, and it's really elegant for me, and it's big. It's 4 doors fire truck and nice wheels. Looks like a vintage wheels. Yeah, vintage wheels. It's blur. Sorry, it's blur. And they're vintage wheels. Seems kinda nice. Perfect for others. Not always the old ones. It's also the fire truck and others. It depends. It depends on the look only. And see, this one is, it's fast. Maybe it's V10 or V8 or V12. Cause all the emergency cars are always fast, and so emergency cars is only always fast at all. And it's really looking good for me. Really nice. Really nice. And it's Scania. It's from Germany. This is German truck. But also in Philippines, the German truck. It's also available in Philippines. In all the countries. Whole countries, the man, except Scania. Scania is only available in Singapore. The bus, or never mind. Let's not talk about the world. Okay, so let's go back to review. And so I don't know what this thing. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe this one is a toolbox here. There's a mini sunroof. It's square shaped, and siren at the top, but here it's blue and it's black here. So it's almost similar to GTA 5. It has only 6 doors, but here's 4 only. That one in GTA 5 it's old, but here it's new. Maybe old version look. And it's really red. Fire truck's always red, not always red. Maybe it's black, orange, and yellow. And maybe I don't think so. I don't think this one is a ramp. Maybe you put the ladder and you climb and you rescue your kitty or something. And if there are no 2 doors, you can only see this. But this one is the look of 4 doors. But I really love this fire truck at all. Yellow siren lights here, LED lights, and that's all for the review. And so, is this your favorite? Comment down below. And before I end video, I'll always tell you something. Do not forget to like and comment and subscribe our videos. And that's all for that. And I'm gonna end this video. Do not forget to subscribe my videos. If my video is weird, I don't care. It's really a good review. So the other comments in my previous video was they said my videos was weird, but he likes it, and that's all. And so don't forget, like us and subscribe our videos and comment a good comment down below. See you later, car fans, and have a good day. Oh, hey, thank you for watching the James Rosal's Toy Car Review, and thank you for delivering the videos. No problem. And so don't forget to like us and subscribe our videos. And I have lots of delivery to James Rosal's car fans. And thank you for watching in my video, and thanks for delivery some Jeeves Instinct. And let's go and let's say goodbye to James Rosal's Toy Car Review. Wait, I'm not leaving anymore. I'm not gonna change the channel. Okay, that's all. Bye. DJ.